Kamusta guys? Welcome to my channel. For today, in this video, how to fix dead battery from Bluetooth headset. Let's go to unplug on the USB charger. Let's try to turn on. Let's see what happens. As you can see, that's not working. Don't worry, let's fix it. Okay, let us try to disassembly. Put on top and put on your fingers. Don't forget on your USB caps. This is called a small battery. In this battery, how to fix? You will need the charger up to 5 volts and 1000 megaamperes. Let's plug in. Let's take a look at polarity. In this wiring, so up to positive and negative. Let's see how wiring polarity. In this circuit board, up to negative and positive. Okay, let's charging the battery. First of all, in the same color red, second wiring, the negative.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know.
The charging in just 40 seconds. Leave the connection for up to a minute or until your battery gets slightly warm. You should check the battery every 10 seconds or so for heat. Remove the connections once the battery gets a little warm to touch. Okay, remove the unplug. Okay, done. Let's go to assembly. Okay, so back in. Just to remember,
doesn't mean I lost my style. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stands still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking, you're faking, girl. You never made a sound.
Okay, so take apart. Okay, so put on your assemble. Let's turn on to see in the speaker. As you can see, it's working. This is called the original charger. Turn on again. It works. Let's plug in on your USB charger.
I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go.
Okay, thank you so much for watching. More watch this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click notification bells.
If you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go.
Click the like button, share, and comment section description box. Thanks for watching, and see you the next video. Bye.